Okay, so if the noun ends in a Y, then it's replaced with IES. Blueberry, blueberries. Lady, ladies. Library, libraries. Let's have a look. What other words are there that start with Y? Family, family, families. Nice. Yeah, I'm trying to think what other words start with a end in a Y. Off the top of my head. Fairy, fairies. Fairy, fairies. There are fairies in the tree. There's a fairy over there. Okay, makes sense. Trying to think what else starts. What else ends in a Y? But that's the general idea. Nouns that end in a Y replaced with IES. Blueberries, ladies, libraries, families, fairies. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.